Hey everybody, thank y'all for joining me today. Today I want to talk about skin barrier. I'm trying to get better about sharing what I know and have learned about the skincare stuff, especially Korean skincare, because I have had the ability to try a lot of products. I mean, from toners, cleansers, to moisturizers. I've tried a lot. I'm a Tretinoin user. Where's my Tretinoin? I'm a user of Tret. Okay. One thing that I have done, I've made the mistake of using it a little too close together and compromise my skin barrier. When I say compromise my skin barrier, it feels like I have peeled away the top layer of my skin and everything lights me on fire. Everything burns down to water. Everything is lighting me up. I've made this mistake maybe once or twice. I'm not trying to tell on myself, but I got to tell you about this product line that has helped me tremendously. It is SKIN1004's Probio-Cica line. I keep this in the wing in case my skin barrier feels compromised. So let's go through these products one by one because this is probably my actual favorite of all of SKIN1004's product line. This is very, what do they call this? Probio-Cica Essence Toner. Very much essence toner. It has a thick serum-like consistency to it. This is fabulous. Out of all of their toners, this is my favorite. I've already said that I love this product line. This Ampoule it's very thick. And let me go back. Everything in this product line is very rich, very thick, very serum, creamy, just fantastic. Because even with this, you see that? Very thick. This is very thick, rich, and creamy. This entire line is that way though. This right here is my absolute favorite when it comes to soothing my skin when it feels on fire. Then there is the eye cream. Also very thick, very rich. I also love the applicator. It allows the cream to just easily glide on the skin. Last but not least is their moisturizer, the Probio-Cica Enrich cream. And I've been using this, as you can see. This cream, this entire line is freaking fantastic, okay? So what I'm going to do is I want you to see it. I'm going to put this entire line on my face. Oh, look at that is coming out like a serum. Let's see. Like it's just so rich. Like, oh, I love it. It feels amazing. Absolutely. Then we have their ampule. Look at this. Look at how thick that is. Did I just burp? My bad. Look at how thick that is. I mean, even though I just put enough in that one space where I could spread it over my whole face, but oh my gosh. Like you could get this whole line, but the thing is that it's also kind of anti-aging. I believe this is like it's just a skin barrier assisting product line. I mean, yes, ma'am. Eye cream. Check that out. Thick, rich. Yeah. And a little dab, literally a little dab will do you. You do not need a lot, which means this is going to last forever. But yeah, I'm about to put this mask on too. I got to tell y'all though, if you need something to help heal your skin barrier, you got to go with SKIN1004's Probio-Cica line because it's bomb. It's bomb. I'm letting you know that it works. I keep it, I keep this on deck. I keep this entire line on deck, especially the mask. Because if you feel like, oh, my face is stripped, get the mask, get the Ampoule. I mean, just get the line because it's very affordable as well. So